VP Chiwenga's wife, Minnie Baloyi, shared a kind gesture that turned into a memorable birthday celebration. Tsarapena mashoko atikona sekuita pasocial media tiona kuti aiwa nyika yese yeZimbabwe inoappreciata and inofarira the vice president's wife Minnie Baloyi. Aiwa nekuda kwekuratidza kindness kune vagari venyika yeZimbabwe, kunyange munhu asina an official post kana asiri even a celeb, but kungoshowa kindness kwaanoita kunoita kuti aiwa nyika yese yeZimbabwe ivafarire zvinonyatso kugodora zvakanaka. Totibo subscribe like watonga bell icon kana muchinoposta Minnie Baloyi these pictures amuri kuona throughout the video anyora achiti Minnie said a young woman known as Ru once commented on her earlier post about Nando's, mentioning that she had never tasted it before. Minnie responded by asking where Ru was so she could buy her a meal, but at the time Ru was outside Zimbabwe. A few days later, Ru informed her that she had returned home. True to her word, Minnie arranged to give her $100 so she could enjoy Nando's for the first time. Interestingly, the timing coincided with Ru's birthday, making the moment even more special. Minnie wrote a light-hearted message. Happy birthday, Ru. Be blessed always. I pray for more Nando's for you in future. Ru later shared the excitement after receiving the gift, saying she used the money to buy Nando's exactly as promised. She described it as the best birthday gift she had ever received, and even went on to do a small photo shoot to capture the moment, joking that her phone was not taking good pictures. In a post, Ru thanked Mama Minnie warmly and added, I got $100 from Mama Minnie Baloyi as a birthday gift, and I bought Nando's as she promised. Best birthday gift ever. One bite and my taste buds through a party. Toma developments and panguwa ina budza mafungo enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. This act of kindness. Na comment section medu za fungo enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.